track lines. Keep it going to 10 foot. Three, two, one, stop. I'm gonna have them line up, get these out of my head. Lining up, just gonna get this rigging out of the way, it doesn't tap us. That's good, hang tight. You're able to, I'd like to undo this knot so that it's not super tight by the time it gets to the ground. You know what I mean, jelly bean?
Oh yeah.
Jelly bean?
Alright.
Bean jelly. Oh,
good?
Yeah. Skip 5, then to 6. Now we're pretty close there. Why don't you start cabling down? Ground crane. Look the left hand swing from you. Alright, let's put a little weight on it. Front crane coming out. Is it Nick Tyler? Alright, why don't you hold that? Wade. Pins are out. You guys ready on the ropes? Here. Call it that. Just careful if it goes somewhere.
Yeah. I love lash ropes, dude. They make me so hard.
That was fucking nice work, dude. Hell yeah. Oh, that's exciting.
It's a good thing when it works out.
All right, you can start coming straight down. We're tossing our ropes up here. Yep, there we go. It's all you guys. Nice job, Tyler.
Fucking did it again. Fucking did it again.
Dig it. That was smooth. I was kind of like
Butter.
our weight was off with it.
Ground crane, keep her swinging. And somewhere in there is good. Wade, swing to your right.
Alright, so it looks like I want to add and have. Looks like it's more this way, so I'll take this,
That one either.
this with the Audi. Yeah, for the heel there, rope. Yep,
Yeah,
take the rope right
up
up
to the tip.
And next up your ground crane. One more of those. Yep, somewhere in there. Wade, give us a couple taps of swing to open up the brakes. And ground crane will start taking a bit of weight. You guys think this weight? 33, 35-ish all set and done. Yeah, why don't you put 5 tab out or something now? We'll just scoot back in and get that last rope situated and get back to you in a minute.
I land that first pennant.
That whole jib, 65 meters in Canadiana, is 42,000 pounds, so minus the 9. So yeah, we'll be somewhere in that 33, 35 range.
You want to come up until?
Yeah, until that first pennant hits.
Yeah, I didn't undo the screws yet though.
Oh, you didn't? Oh, gotcha. Gotcha.
Alright, Wade, we got our pin out coming down. We're gonna keep an eye on these pent lines and make sure they line up in our catches all the way down the jib. Hold that. So put a pin back in here. Alright, Wade. Table down. good, thanks. Wade, power crane, cabling down. We'll flop this link over. Yep, touch quicker if you like. Doing good, thanks. Keep coming down. And stop. Ground crane. Gonna get just a little bit of right hand swing for clearance. We're disconnected. We still got a tag line up here. And Wade, I'm gonna get some right hand swing from you as well. Just to get this cab a little further away. You guys ready on ropes? Get it, Timmy. Alright, ground crane, swinging right. It's all you guys. Yeah, you just leave it over there. Steady right, steady down, Tyler. Get your right centered on Bob there.
Bang, I'm gonna pull the rest of the cord through.
Okay.
Swing should be decent anywhere in there. Steady on the down. Let's get close, we'll have a look at where we're at. Alright, ground crane coming up. We can take a little bit of strain on these cables. Just about to get into it. Hold that. Wade, I will take a little tap of swing from you, open up those brakes. Now, as long as you got a little weight on there to keep us stationary, why don't you hold that. There are a couple cords to disconnect, just hang tight a minute. Another 10 inches till these kind of bars are touching. Inch and a half. And stop. Just hang tight. For another 3 feet. And if you're in a happy spot, we can just swing back right and gain some of that radius back. Nice and easy back right. Keep coming, buddy. Looking good. Another 2. Yep, another footish. Yep, keep coming like that. Real close. Yeah, a little more. And we'll hold it there. Back this truck up. And just coming up on line, just a touch here. We're just going to back the truck up a bit. Yeah, bring it up on line. And that's money anywhere there. Inches to touch on the far left. That beautiful thing. Cut you loose that radius. I might have to shorten you up a bit for that cab. And why don't you hold your left there, cabling down. Hold your down. Just a touch of left hand swing from you. cable and back up. We'll just get the rigging out of the way. I got a couple electrical wires to disconnect up here still. Alright, just a nice gentle swing to your right. Pins and safeties are out. We're floating. Just gonna get you away from us. And steady right swing. It's all you, Debbie. And I think we'll have to climb down a ways. There's a couple of midpoint strain reliefs we'll have to disconnect. I'll come up on the roof first, so I'll just pull all the slack out of the basement onto the roof. And then once you guys grab the A-frame, we can just come up and I can climb up and disconnect one of those, the lower one anyways, if you guys want to grab the higher one. Yeah, that sounds good.
Just send it with it. Is it still connected to the apex? Like it's still... Okay. Yeah, just send it down with it. I'll coil it and then send the whole work. And coming up, Tyler. Steady up.
Pull the 2 block. Pull it down.
You want to help Jeremy get the boom truck set up over here? Yes, please.
Well, I always thought you got to keep that pin bar. I would hold it up right now. You don't want it on the jib because it's all the way out.
That's what I figured. It might be, yeah. Julie, let's put it off right here on this donkey right here. We'll have it slide off the side so we can walk it in.
Turning right here.
Yes, sir. Yep, so we'll have you put that wire, yep. Doing a great job. Just want you to know that. We're all about positive reinforcement around here. Okay?
About 5 more inches to the kickstand. 3, 2, 1, kickstand. I'm coming, Rich.
All right.
Here, let me get this on there and then I'll give you a hand. Hold on.
You know, I asked if you needed that and he said no.
What?
You didn't need a bolt piece?
Yes, we do.
I suppose.
That pin is way too big to fit in that hole, my brother.
Oh, that's right. You're right. You're right.
Let's go see where they're sitting at on that because we can start breaking. I think, Dano, so they're pulling back up right now. So we should be able to start pounding pins. Julie, are we ready to pound pins?
I think so. What do you got?
Too.
You got all the lines?
No, I haven't done shit yet.
You got the electrical
I don't
in?
know how to attach it.
Can I get that hammer? The big one?
Dano, there should be a bunch of keepers that look like hitch pins. We need those for the pennant lines. We got to put those in before we disconnect them or we might not be able to get them in.
Where are they?
They should be up on the mat, and if they're not on the mat, there's a box of them in the clown box.
Smaller keepers?
Yeah, they're just like regular hitch pins. What do you need there, Bob?
I need that hammer.
You want to do the bottom first?
Pennants. Pennants, my man, pennants.
Pennants first?
You have to.
Tyler, boom up very
Keep
slowly
tapping
if you
on
can.
it, just so that you're listening for a tone change, right? Good.
Good there, Tyler.
Hammer it out. Pound it out. Don't touch it.
Yeah.
Let that sail. Just wait. Let him get some weight. Yep. It's gonna keep coming up because he boomed up. That was really heavy, right? A little bit more. Good. Go ahead, Dano. Give a little love tap. Which ones you got there, Chew Dog? I got an outside here.
I should have the middle too.
So the part that would plug into the head or whatever, or on the head of the boom, is just dangling there. I have it locked so it can't spin.
Yeah.
The other one I twisted back on that actually goes to it, the one that Pat twisted off.
Yeah.
That one's good.
I'm gonna change it the other way around. Richie, can you get that pennant line into its holder, please?
Coming down!
Looking good, brother. Doing awesome. Hold that. Okay, that side's good, coming down. Coming down. Okay, this one went in. I'm good. I'm looking good so far. Yep, I'm in. I love it.
This has got to get loaded out first, no matter what. So what happens is we're going to pick this.
Yep.
That's got to go on the trailer.
That's the trailer I got staged.
Yes,
over
and
there.
that's the one you need. And then at that point in time, he's got to swing around. We got to drop this Mega Wing off.
Give me enough time that I can run,
That's
drop
plenty
that
of-
at the ready
yes.
mix plant and come back with the
Yes,
Mega Wing
there's
trailer.
plenty of time. Like
Okay.
you said, I wouldn't over stress about it, Dano.
Okay. I just want to be on the same page.
You want to do penny lines first or mass first? Do the mass. Okay.
Can those get folded in? Or do you want to wait for that?
For what?
Wait for those just to be on the ground and fold them in? Okay.
Be a lot easier.
So I figured I just...
Who's our operator? Come on. We got shit to
Ask
do.
questions because that's how you're going to learn this crane. Bob.
Hey!
God, what happened here?
Good!
Okay.
Coming up, Jeremy!
Yep. Coming down. All the way down, brother.
Okay, Jeremy, now they're gonna take you and they're gonna go underneath that pennant line, both of them, and they're gonna have you lift up, and they gotta put a J-bar on one side, J-bar on the other. And then they'll hook you up to the outside to grab the whole kit and caboodle, they say.
Coming down. All right, coming up. What? All the way towards where the front of the catwalk is, brother. There you go. Coming down, Jeremy. Here, I got this one. You're good.
Yep, coming up. Okay. Now this one, the pins are hydraulic, right?
Yep.
That is really nice. Thanks, Dano. I appreciate the safety.
You know,
It's all about it, you know.
now I should just move it. Oh, sorry.
What a dickhead, huh?
Richard.
He's got a boom down. He's got 2 boomed up. Joey, have him boom down and hold.
Yeah, hold on. We're gonna take everything off, I think.
You out?
Okay. Yeah, just hold it right there.
Coming down, Tyler.
Reach that.
Yeah, I can reach shit.
Need to get him loaded.
Yep.
Someone's gotta get out of here and go get the next trailer.
Dano's gonna go drop that one off at the thing and go get the next trailer for that one right away. So we gotta get some shit shuffled around. It's whatever.
Yeah, buddy. You're clear, swinging. And booming down.
Let me get up here and make sure you were right.
I got him right.
Huh?
I got him right. That goes on the 5th pin right
Yeah.
here. Yes, sir.
17,600 pounds.
Look good?
Oh,
It's gonna boom up a little bit. I'm gonna have it swing on this a touch.
just boom straight up.
Just gonna have it swing a little bit. I need you to come forward.
All right, just swing then. Don't boom. I'm centered back here.
What's that, Dano? Give me just a bump of boom up. Good. Okay, coming down, Jeremy.
I love it back here. I'd hold about 5,000 on it and put straps on it.
Right there. That's
Moving up and holding your load.
Alright, you're gonna have to pick this piece and get it out of the way, I think, for the truck. He thinks he can make enough room for trucks just to pull in and pull out. I think there's no way in hell we can do that, but
No way. Never. Little ears. Your ears. Cable down easy. Cable down easy. Cable down good. Hold your cable there, Scooby Dooby Doo. Bee Dooby Doo. Baby. Up, Simba.
How close are you to the edge of the trailer?
I'm like,
That's where it was.
I'm like right here with it.
I'm flush with the inside of my wood.
You're pretty much there too, Dano. That's pretty even, Steven, I think.
Yeah.
I like it. I feel even.
I like it.
I'm inside the wood. Lay it down.
Center post is like right here, Dano.
Okay. Yeah.
He's on his way in. Can you see him?
What else goes on this pig?
2 counterweights.
2 chunkies.
Yep, winch and 2 nuggets.
Oh, too far. Jesus, you get a little
Coming
overzealous.
down, Tyler, or boom down a little bit. Boom down. Okay, swinging to your right a little bit. Okay, moving down some more. Hold your load. Moving down, holding your load. Right about there.
Coming down. Coming down, Bob.
Yep.
Coming down.
Getting life flighted.
Oh yeah. Hell yeah. Yep. In.